there, future tech wizards? Curious about how AI works and how to stay safe in the digital world? Welcome to AI Know. Our mission is simple: to make privacy, artificial intelligence, and digital ethics super easy to understand for everyone. Whether you're a kid, a parent, a teacher, or just someone who loves technology, we've got you covered. Ever wonder how to protect your data online? Or what it means to be a responsible digital citizen? We've got all the answers and more. We'll even dive into the popular AI tools you've probably heard of, like ChatGPT, which helps you with questions and tasks just by typing or talking to it. Ever use Siri or Alexa? Those smart assistants use AI to understand what you're saying and help everything from setting reminders to answering questions. And then there's DALL-E, which can create amazing artwork just from a description. Here at AI Know, we will break down the world of AI, teaching you how to keep your information safe and helping you understand your rights and responsibilities in the digital age. So whether you're looking to unlock the mysteries of AI or just want tips on being smarter and safer online, you're in the right place. Hit the subscribe button to join our journey to the exciting world of AI, privacy, digital ethics, and beyond. Let's get smart, stay safe, and explore technology together. Stay awesome, tech explorers!